Here's the best Raw Accel settings for Valorant at 800 DPI. Open Raw Accel, click Charts, then hover over Scale by Mouse Settings. Change your DPI to 800 and your pull rate to 1000. Adjust depending on your mouse software. Click Rescale by Above so the graph adjusts to match. Set the Sense multiplier to 1, leave the Y to X ratio empty, check the relevant box, and leave rotation at 0. From the drop-down menu, select Natural. Make sure gain is checked, set the decay rate to 0.1, the input offset to 19, and the limit to 1.5. Click Apply and you should see a clean curve confirming your settings are correct. For an additional tweak, close Raw Accel, open the settings.json file with Notepad, scroll near the bottom to Degrees of Angle Snapping, and set it to 15, 18, or 20 depending on preference. 15 tends to work well for most players. Save and close the file, reopen Raw Accel, and click Apply once more to finalize everything. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.